Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 23rd, 2022. I'm going to show you all the biggest problem for Disney stock just by looking at the price chart, right? I'm not going to come in and give you all some hypothetical, some hype news that's going on right now with Disney. I simply come through and pay attention to the money. If you guys haven't realized, money talks. And when you look at a price chart, this is actually everyone's idea, which is collective, as to what they think Disney's stock is going to be worth at any given point in time. All you have to do is learn how to read the charts. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. All you have to do is come through, look at the price action, look at the volume, so that we can tell who's actually participating. You guys would actually see with a clear picture as to how the market really works without the news. The price chart is the news. It gives you advance notice as to what's really happening into the market before the mainstream media picks up some type of hot topic or hot flaming breaking news to try to make you go in and buy and sell. The price chart already was relaying that information. So check this out. Welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. That's it. Nothing more. No FOMO, no FUD. I'm not trying to come through and give you all to click on the videos just so I can make more ad revenue. I want you all to see that you can actually profit into the market as well. I want you all to join me in my journey. Yeah, you guys can actually see somebody, a real human being, actually dropping price predictions, price targets on a chart. And I'm not just showing you technical indicators. I want you all to join me in this journey. So hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. All right, tap that bell notification as well. Now look at this. Look at this. My price prediction for Disney, you guys are looking at it right now, and I had this price prediction all the way since right here, January the 21st, the beginning of this year. I've been playing the weakness into the market in Disney, and now look what happened. The market came to where I suspected it was going to go. Now, are we out the woods now? Can we see Disney now pop up from this level? Or are we still going to see weakness? See, don't worry about it. I got you. I'm going to show you what the market is trying to say now. So if you guys were able to get that 12.35% out the market, kudos. You guys predicted well. You guys did a wonderful job at predicting the weakness into the market in Disney. Congratulations. Yeah, I want to give you all a hand clap. I want to show you that I appreciate you all learning to do this for yourself. Good call. It took a while, which we don't like, but we got it. 12.35% right there. All right. Now, the biggest problem with Disney, the biggest problem, I'm zooming out right now. I want to show you what the biggest problem is. And I want you all to notice something. Do you see the biggest problem now? Here it is. Right there. The price in Disney broke support. That's the biggest problem for the buyers. Price needed to trade above $120. And you guys can see how swift this down move has been in Disney, that even $120 couldn't even support the market. I want you all to notice something. We saw the price in Disney from March 2021 to today, or the last trade from Friday, is down 41.75% right now from March of last year. So a whole year has gone, and we've seen this stock lose 41.75%. Something is going on. See, every time the market trades, people are trying to equate what is the value of the stock, not the business. Those are two totally different, separate things. The stock is what you and I are willing to pay for it under the auspice of making money, right? That is why we come in and buy and sell. That's the whole point of the stock market, is to make money. So for us to see price lose 41, almost 42% of its value in less than a year, people are trying to equate how much is this stock really worth. And by us seeing the stock break below $120, the market is telling us that Disney is worth less, and maybe a lot less, because at this point in time, let me show it to you. At this point in time, back in July of 2015, even here, November of 2015, the market did not value Disney higher than that. People felt that Disney wasn't worth no more than $120. That is why price, every time it came up here to 120, it fell, because buyers did not felt they wasn't convicted to buy price higher than 120 until the market did it here. We broke past it, right? Well, now we're back below it, and I'm going to show you something else, right? Let me show you something else, because if the market is not valued at $120 to buy, then it has to be somewhere else, right? The buyers have to be somewhere else. Buyers and sellers are always here, always. We need to find the majority of where the buyers find price attractive before this down move will stop. It's just that simple. Let's look at this on the weekly chart first, okay? And this lets me know, right? This lets me know that the overall market is still weak, that the people haven't found a buy point yet in Disney. Look at the high volume that came in last week. Those two in relation shows us that there's still some weakness into the market in Disney. Look at that. We saw the market close on the low end of the bar with high volume. People are selling. They're selling. That's on the weekly chart. This is Disney on the 2 weeks. Like, it hasn't changed. We're still seeing the market as being weak in Disney. Where is the next level that we can see buyers? Well, it may not be that far, right? It may not be that far, because the next level is right there around 113, $113.50. That's the first level. Keep that in mind, because I'm going to use it as a price target. $113.50. Okay. Look at this on the 3 weeks. Look how weak the market is in Disney. Like, we're in a straight downtrend. This is a bearish market in Disney. Whoever is telling you to come in and buy this stock right now on the dip, don't listen to them. Don't listen to people. You listen to the price and the price chart. This chart actually is speaking, and you have to learn how to verbalize, interpret what it's trying to say. This is a weak stock right now. Yes, it is. Now, we got 113.50 first. Next level is going to be 110. Okay. This is Disney on the 5 weekly chart. Third level is 100. I think third level would probably be a psychological number, $100, for us to see the market at Disney try to bounce. Okay. So let me just show it to you visually where we can see the buyers. First level is right here. Okay. Second level, that's at 110. Next level is at 100. Next level's down here. You guys can actually tell where buyers were entering the market in Disney. So as we see this market continue to decline, we need to see buyers, first of all, at 113.50. You guys remember that first price target, right? I said 113.50 to 110. That's where we need to see buyers first. Now, let's say buyers don't show up at 110. Then we know the next level is going to be 100. Let's say the buyers don't show up at 100. Then we know the next level is at 90. This is how this game is going to be played. I'm giving you all advance notice as to how to be on the lookout for the buyers. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the price target. Like I said, I'm looking for the price in Disney to continue to drop. Right? To continue to go lower. Now, this is our restriction area now. If the market in Disney cannot trade above $130, it might be a little bit higher. I'm going to look at this on the daily time frame to show you all. So let's go ahead and switch over to the daily. Okay, because I want us to see this. Okay. So looking at this from the daily time frame, yeah, I would say around 130. It might be a little bit higher. So I'm gonna take it up just a little bit higher. I'll say around like 133, 135. Okay, now you guys can see it right now. I'm here. The first price target I told you was around 113.50. If it were to get out the market there, that's around 4% profitability. 4. You have to be willing to know when to go and not overstay your welcome, because there's a lot of sharks in the market and they're literally prowling around, swimming around, trying to take your dough. And if you're in profitability, take it. That's the first level. My second one is what, 110? That's 7%. Third level is at 100, which gives us around what, 16%. Now I'm not going to drop $90 down. Okay, I'm not going to put that as a price target just yet. But if we continue to see the weakness, if the buyers cannot hold 110, then $90 will come into the picture then. Okay, so now let me go ahead and get rid of this, because we're going to look for the next area of the buyers to come in around 110. All right. So let me zoom in closer so we can put this on the close as to what it was on Friday. Save it. And now we're there. All right. So now I've shown you what I think the price is going to do now. And the market is not lying to us. Until we see buyers approach, until we see buyers buy market in Disney at a certain price, we need to continue to follow the trend. And you can look at the chart now. What is the trend? All right. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.